Hi, I'm Dana Ferris. Welcome to your first class of the Live, Love, Balance Beginner Series for Yoga Before Coffee. We get started right away, so bring yourself to a comfortable seat. Go ahead and move any fleshy goodness from underneath your sit bones. The sit bones are those bones on the bottom of your pelvis. Really get yourself flattened up. Bring your legs to cross in front of you if that's most comfortable, or you can stack the knees or extend your legs, however you feel best. I like to sit cross-legged. From here, you're gonna gently release your eyes closed and take a deep breath. Just fill your belly with air. And sigh that breath out. Great, continue to breathe, but draw your attention to your spine. So notice those sit bones again pressing into the earth, and then see if you can reach your spine up one vertebra at a time, and eventually it'll gently lift your chest. Once you find this lift in your chest, just roll your collarbones open, so it's like you're spreading extra through the collarbones. They move away from each other, and then slide the shoulder blades down your back. Level your chin off with the ground and reach up through the crown of your head. Cool, this is a straight spine. We're often working towards this position. Relax your mind, take a deep breath in. Let all the thoughts go on the breath out. Let's start to engage some diaphragm breathing. So every morning of the Live, Love, Balance series, we're going to start by connecting with the breath. We connect with the breath by activating the diaphragm. And the diaphragm is a dome-like muscle at the base of your belly. With an inhale, you expand the muscle, it contracts your ribs up, it presses the belly down. With an exhale, you let the air out, compressing everything. So you should feel that expansion with the inhale through the sides of your waist, through the front of the belly, and through your back. So let's try that diaphragm breathing, let all your air go. Deep belly, diaphragm breath in. Exhale. Again, inhale, expand through the stomach, the waist, the back. Exhale, deflate your balloon. Can you start to match the length of the inhale and the exhale? We'll try it out for the count of 5. Let all your air go. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, imagine you're blowing up that balloon. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start to take this breath, this count, this expansion on your own. Start to find your own rhythm inside of your body. The breath provides a vital connection between your inner and outer life. So allow this breath to begin to become meditative. And one more round, just like that. Focus on clearing your mind as you breathe. Going to allow you some space to set an intention. Clarify your reason for being here. It's like a dedication to your practice. So just draw into your mind what brought you to your mat this morning. And allow that to stay present with you as we move on to our first pose. Take one last deep breath in. Sigh the breath out. Blink open your eyes. Let's get moving in mountain pose. So we're gonna come to standing. You want your feet hip-width distance apart. So if you don't know what hip-width distance is, generally it's 2 fists placed together. You can imagine they're in between both of your feet. Right, from here you want to focus your weight onto your feet. We always set the foundation firm so you can grow up strong from that foundation. So flex your toes up off the floor and spread through the ball mounds of your feet. Then press into the center of the heel, right? So the weight is equally distributed between the center of the heel and the ball mound of the foot. Nice. Now release the toes. Squeeze the inner arches up. That'll help stack your ankles into the right position. From here, squeeze the shins towards each other. Gentle bend in the knees. Press down in the feet once again to straighten up the pelvis. Nice job. Pull the inner thighs towards each other. So internally rotate the inner thighs by pressing them back. It'll open up some space in the front of the hips here. You can even come down and put your hands on your hips to feel that. Now let's find mountain pose. Inhale, spread your hands wide. Reach your arms up towards the sides of the room, right? Stop right here as soon as you start to feel any pinching in the shoulder. And then renegotiate your shape. Draw the shoulders back down, squeeze the low ribs in, pull the shoulder blades together on the back. From there, with an inhale, engage the fingers towards the sky. Bring the biceps to frame your ears. Nice. Now the thumbs reach back and the pinkies rolled towards each other. We're opening up the shoulder girdle here. And draw the shoulders down your back. Are you still reaching through the crown of your head? Are your legs still firm? Can you squeeze your belly in a little tighter? Close your eyes, maybe take a deep breath in. Fill your whole entire shape with air. Exhale, let it go. Again, focus on the breath. With the inhale, think length, length, length through the top of your head. With the exhale, think relax. One more, inhale. Exhale. Nice, draw your hands together above your head. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Close your eyes, relax all your muscles, just stand in your shape. Nice work, that's mountain pose. You should feel all the warmth in your body. Let's take it down to Shavasana. Let our bodies process all of that motion. So Shavasana is a great way to practice the yin and the yang in yoga. We just did all this muscle engagement in mountain pose, and now we're gonna find the yin, we're gonna find the release in Shavasana. So really, it's basically just lying on your back. I like to tuck my tailbone under me and reach through my heels, get some space through the legs. You can find some wiggles and jiggles just to get yourself in a comfortable position, somewhere where you can leave your body. And once you're there, allow the feet to roll out, allow the palms to relax. And engage your breath, take a deep inhale. One last exhale. Start to take the attention away from the breath. Allow the attention to go towards your mind. Can you let your body melt a little more into the floor? You're welcome to stay here as long as you'd like. If you're ready to move forward with your day, bring some life back into your fingers and toes. Give them a little wiggle. Extend your hands up overhead. Reach out through your feet. Make an X on the ground. And then roll over onto the right side of your body. Allow your bicep to become a pillow for your cheek. This is fetal pose. Take a moment here, press your palm into the ground. Just acknowledge the work you've done in these 10 minutes. A little gratitude to yourself for showing up today. When you're ready, on an inhale, press into your palm. Bring yourself to a seat. Cross your ankles in front of you. Keep your eyes closed. And again, relax the backs of your palm on your knees, just like we started. Notice the difference in your body. Just a few mindful, focused minutes can make. Bring your hands to your heart, gently bow your chin. The teacher in me honors and recognizes the teacher in you. Draw your thumbs to your third eye center. Namaste.